Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Viewers, in this video we will be talking about an vitamin which will be cured your eyes problems permanently. We are talking about vitamin A. Vitamin A is abundant in food like liver, fish liver, dairy products, eggs, oranges, yellow fruits and vegetables, and also in green leafy vegetables. For eyes, vitamin A protects the cornea, the clear front part of your eyes. Without enough of vitamin A, your cornea can dry out, become damaged. It's also essential for your retina, the light sensitive part of your eye. The retina convert lights into signals that your brain can understand, and vitamin A keeps it functioning properly. Vitamin A is key component of tropin, a protein that help your eyes adapt to low light conditions. Without it, you might find yourself stumbling around in the dark, and that's not all. Vitamin A acts as an antioxidant to protection your eyes for damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress. This means it's help prevent age related issues like muscular degeneration and cataracts. It even support your immune system, helping fight off eyes infections and other disease can affect your eyes vision. Vitamin A is much beneficial for your eyes health. You must take it at least regularly in 1 month. Make sure you get off to keep your vision clear and your eyes in top shape. Viewers, hope you would like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.